continuous optimization and improvement. Imagine marketing as a culinary adventure, not a microwave meal. It's about constantly refining your strategies like a master chef perfecting their signature dish. Every ingredient, every technique, every presentation detail is carefully considered and adjusted to create an experience that keeps customers coming back for more. The goal? To achieve long-term marketing success that fuels your business growth. Here's how to turn your marketing efforts into a continuous improvement kitchen where you're constantly whipping up success. 1. Set goals that make you lick the bowl. Before you start optimizing, you need a clear vision of your marketing feast. Define your SMART goals. These are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that give your optimization efforts direction. For example, instead of a vague goal like increase website traffic, your SMART goal could be increase website traffic from organic search by 20% within the next quarter. Or involve your team in setting goals. When everyone's on the same page, achieving them becomes a collaborative culinary triumph. 2. Track and measure your results. You can't improve what you don't measure. Just like a chef wouldn't guess at spice levels, you can't optimize marketing without data. Use marketing analytics tools to track key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, social media engagement, and customer acquisition costs. Think of these metrics as your taste testers. They tell you if your marketing efforts are hitting the right spot or need some adjustments. Don't just rely on cold, hard numbers. Use surveys, customer feedback forms, and social media sentiment analysis to understand how your marketing makes your audience feel. 3. Analyze and adapt. Be the culinary alchemist. Once you have your data, it's time to analyze it like a culinary alchemist, transforming numbers into insights. Look for trends, patterns, and areas where your marketing efforts could use a pinch of something special. Identify what's working well, your secret sauce, and what's not, maybe hold off on the extra sprinkles next time. Use data visualization tools to create charts, graphs, and dashboards. These culinary infographics make it easy to see what's sizzling and what's burning. Or imagine you've just finished whipping up a social media campaign. You've got your eye-catching visuals, your witty captions, the whole shebang. But before you hit post, it's time to slip on your data analysis apron and dive into the results. Here's how to analyze your marketing efforts like a culinary rock star. Be a trend spotter. Look for patterns in your data, like a seasoned chef spotting the hottest new food trends. Are certain types of social media posts getting way more engagement? Is there a particular call to action that's driving more website traffic? These trends are your secret ingredients, the little tweaks that can take your marketing dish from meh to magnifique. Identify your all-stars. Just like every kitchen has its signature dish, what elements of your marketing campaign are absolutely killing it? Maybe it's a specific video ad that's gone viral or a blog post that's generating tons of leads. Identify these all-stars. They're the base flavors of your marketing magic. Find the flops, but don't panic. No Michelin-starred chef gets everything perfect on the first try, and neither will you. Part of being a data alchemist is identifying areas where your marketing efforts might be falling flat. Maybe a certain ad campaign isn't resonating with your audience, or a landing page isn't converting visitors into customers. Don't despair. These are just opportunities to adjust your recipe and try something new. I think of them as the slightly burnt part of the cake. You can always scrape it off and try again. Data visualization tools are your secret weapons here. These tools turn your numbers into charts, graphs, and even fancy culinary infographics. This makes it way easier to see what's sizzling, performing well, and what's burning, needs improvement in your marketing efforts. Remember, data analysis isn't about punishment. It's about using information to make your marketing even more delicious. So grab your data whisk, put on your thinking cap, and get ready to transform those numbers into a marketing masterpiece. 4. Experiment and test. Don't be afraid to spice things up. Marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all recipe. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients, marketing strategies, and presentation styles, ad copy, website design, A/B testing is a great way to compare different versions of your marketing materials and see which ones perform better. Think of A/B testing like a taste test for your marketing. You cook up two versions of the same dish marketing campaign and see which one gets devoured first by your target audience. Use tools like Optimizely or Google Optimize to run A/B tests and track their results. These tools will help you determine the winning recipe for your marketing success. 5. Personalize and segment cater to every palate. Not all customers have the same taste. Just like a good chef caters to different dietary restrictions, personalize your marketing messages and offers to different audience segments. This can be based on demographics, interests, or previous purchase history. Think of audience segmentation as offering a variety of dishes on your marketing menu. By catering to specific preferences, you increase the chances of your audience finding something they love. Use marketing automation tools to segment your audience and send personalized messages. These tools can help you create targeted campaigns that resonate with each customer group. 6. Embrace automation and technology. Let the smart appliances do the chopping. Technology is your sous chef in the marketing kitchen. Use marketing automation tools to streamline repetitive tasks like email marketing, social media scheduling, and lead nurturing. This frees you up to focus on the creative aspects of marketing like crafting compelling content and strategizing new campaigns. I think of marketing automation tools as your time-saving kitchen gadgets. They help you get more done in less time, allowing you to focus on the gourmet aspects of marketing. Let's face it, marketing can feel like you're running a one-person restaurant during rush hour. You've got emails to send, social media posts to schedule, leads to nurture. It's enough to make even the most passionate marketer want to throw in the dish towel. But fear not, marketing maestros. This is where technology swoops in like your own personal kitchen appliance fairy godmother. We're talking about marketing automation tools, the sous chefs of the digital marketing world. Imagine you've got a killer email campaign planned to promote your latest product. Instead of spending hours manually crafting and sending individual emails, you can use a marketing automation tool to do the heavy lifting. These tools let you schedule your email blasts, personalize them for different audience segments, and even track the results all with a few clicks. I think of it like this. You wouldn't chop all the vegetables for your signature dish by hand, would you? No way. You'd use a handy food processor to save time and effort. Marketing automation tools are the food processors of the marketing world, freeing you up to focus on the more creative, strategic aspects of your campaigns. Here's a taste of the delicious time-saving benefits you can expect. Automated email marketing, blast out personalized email campaigns in minutes, not hours. Social media scheduling, schedule your social media posts for the entire week in advance so you can spend less time scrolling and more time strategizing. Lead nurturing, automate the process of nurturing leads through the sales funnel with targeted emails and content. Imagine a self-basting turkey. Your leads get the attention they need without you needing to constantly baste them manually. Now, let's talk about some top-notch kitchen appliances in the marketing automation world. HubSpot, this all-in-one marketing platform, is like a commercial kitchen with everything you need: email marketing, social media management, CRM, and more. Marketo, another comprehensive marketing automation suite. Marketo helps you automate everything from lead nurturing to campaign management. It's like having a team of expert chefs working behind the scenes. Pardot, this powerful tool from Salesforce, focuses on B2 billion marketing automation, helping you nurture leads and convert them into loyal customers. Think of it as the specialized appliance for the discerning marketing chef. By embracing marketing automation tools, you'll free yourself from the mundane tasks and unlock the potential to create truly gourmet marketing campaigns. So ditch the manual labor and let technology be your sous chef in the marketing kitchen. 7. Stay ahead of the curve, keep your menu fresh. The marketing world is a bustling culinary scene with new trends emerging all the time. Keep up with the latest trends, technologies, and best practices to stay ahead of the competition. I think of staying ahead of the curve like keeping your menu updated with seasonal ingredients. By incorporating new trends and best practices into your marketing strategies, you can keep your campaigns fresh and engaging, attracting new customers and retaining existing ones. Follow industry blogs, attend conferences, and network with other marketers to stay up to date. These are like your culinary inspiration sources, helping you discover new flavors and techniques for your marketing dishes. Remember, continuous optimization and improvement is an ongoing process. It's not about achieving perfection, it's about making consistent progress towards your marketing goals. Just like a chef never stops refining their recipes, you should never stop refining your marketing strategies. Here are some additional tools that can help you with continuous optimization. Google Trends, this tool lets you see how search volume for specific keywords changes over time. This can help you identify trending topics and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Think of Google Trends as your market research tool. It helps you understand what ingredients keywords are in high demand and which ones might be losing their flavor. BuzzSumo, this tool helps you discover the most popular and shared content on social media. This can give you ideas for creating content that resonates with your audience. Imagine BuzzSumo as your social media buzz meter. It shows you which dishes, content are getting the most attention and engagement on social media. Hotjar, this tool lets you record user sessions on your website and see how they interact with your pages. This can help you identify usability issues and optimize your website for better user experience. Think of Hotjar as your website observer. It helps you see how your customers are interacting with your website, identifying areas that need improvement to enhance their dining experience. Crazy Egg, this tool provides heat maps of your website that show where users are clicking and scrolling. This can help you identify areas of your website that are getting the most attention and those that are being overlooked. Imagine Crazy Egg as your website heat map. It shows you where your customers are focusing their attention on your website, helping you determine which areas need more seasoning or less spice. By using these tools and following the principles of continuous optimization, you can turn your marketing efforts into a marathon of success. Remember, marketing is like a garden. You need to keep watering it, weeding it, and tending to it to make it grow. So keep optimizing, keep improving, and keep growing your marketing success. Additional tips for continuous optimization. Involve your team in the optimization process. Get everyone's input and ideas to create a more comprehensive and effective approach. Communicate your optimization goals and progress to your stakeholders. Keep everyone informed about your efforts and how they are impacting the business. Celebrate your successes along the way. Recognizing your achievements will motivate you and your team to keep improving. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a natural part of the learning process. Use it as an opportunity to identify areas for improvement. Have fun. Marketing should be enjoyable, not stressful. Embrace the creative process and find ways to make your marketing efforts exciting and engaging. By following these tips and incorporating continuous optimization into your marketing strategy, you can create a winning recipe for long-term success.